Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you the abstract class and abstract method. The abstract class is a class which is intended to be a base which other classes can derive from. It cannot be instantiated. It may contain regular fields and methods and also abstract methods. Abstract method is a method containing only definition and no implementation. Every class which is derived from the abstract class has to provide implementation for abstract methods. Let's see an example. The abstract class person contains one regular field, name, and also one abstract method, display name. The class student derives from person and provides an implementation for the display name method. The implementation has to be marked with the override keyword to override the abstract method from the base class. So that's it. I hope that you understood the concept of abstract class and abstract method, and I hope to see you soon.